Yeah.
Okay, take two.
Take two, yeah. So anyway, see, there's the, it's got like a little retainer on it in the back, I'm assuming. I can't remember. I did one of these, but like I said, it was probably 10 years
And
ago.
it's like half-inch.
About half-inch.
Well, 3/4 is way too big.
Well, it ain't half-inch.
Yeah, way too small.
No.
Try 5/8.
5/8 or
Unless it's
11/16.
It
might be.
fit tight before I hammer them.
Yeah. It's just a lock nut though. It'll come out of there pretty good.
Yeah.
Might be 5/8.
I'd like to haul that around your back.
No.
Scuba
It's like a
diving.
5/8.
No.
I think you'd drown.
11/16.
Maybe very tight, huh?
Huh?
Turn it by
That ain't
hand.
going on there, is it?
No, it's too small.
11/16 or 13/16. No, 13/16. Yeah, 13/16 is bigger than 3/4. Isn't it? It's 3/4 is 12/16. I gotta stop. Think about this one now. Oh. Old Paw figure out how to make that Dodge charging. Yeah. That's why it was killing the battery. Put it jump over.
It's not charging now.
Oh, you get the alternator itself?
So it's probably the alternator.
Huh.
It's probably got a click or something.
Huh.
So.
11/16. That's what you want to try. That's one side, 1/16 under 3/4. It'll work? Okay. Disassembling the bomb. Is it turning? You might have to pull it out so it holds against something. I don't know.
Yes, I think the whole thing's spinning.
Yeah. Probably what we're going to do is take that apart first. It come out?
I feel nothing spinning, so there's nothing I'm putting pressure on.
Hmm. It's probably somebody out here in YouTube world saying, "No, you dummies, do this!" Alright, so Tay's like up to his elbows in this thing, like breech birth in a calf, huh?
Yeah.
A hydraulic baby. Can you get that rubber flange thing up, like, get the steel thing out of it? Maybe we can get that out.
Yeah, I think.
Can you slide it under it or over it?
Trying to get this pushed back far enough to.
There's probably a simple way to do this, but we don't know how to do it. You don't want to break that. So we ain't got another one.
Two-piece thing. So
It is?
Yeah, these come out.
Oh,
And the rubber thing pulls through, I'm assuming.
Alright. What do you need?
I need to pull the whole thing out. I think.
No, you just don't want to destroy it because I ain't got no.
Give you a lot of room though to work.
Mm-hmm.
Just get this.
I bet any money you're supposed to pull that thing apart when it's still tight, so that don't spin or something. I don't know.
Well, I think there's something on the other side that. That's just the inside, or the guts. Yeah, it's gonna help.
Might as well grab some speedy dry and throw it on the floor. We got any of that
I
around?
got pig mats up there.
Piggy mats?
They're up there.
Mm.
No bag or white. Just grab the bag out of here.
You could just grab the baby and turn it around.
I feel. Alright, I think we gotta get this stuff off.
Okay, so KK figured it out. There's a tapered thing that goes on the back of this, just like a little seal thing. And he was able to pop that off and rotisserate the thing. But what this is a valve. See, oh, that shuts the oil flow off when the bag inflates. Right? And then that builds enough pressure on the knives, and it must float, you know, as the knives need it to float, I guess. So that's that. Now he's going to surgically remove the deflated baby. Oh, look at him go. That's gonna be, ooh, that's gonna be tough to get out of there.
Yeah, it is.
It's gonna be tough to get the new one in too. I can't remember
Actually,
doing this. Huh?
The new one ain't gonna be that bad. There it is.
Don't put the valve back in it when you get it all squishy deflated, so don't
No,
suck.
it's not sucking now.
So now the idea is get that old deflated unit out of here. Okay. Well, look at you go. Gonna need 4 men and a boy holding on to that thing. Huh? And there I am playing with a stupid camera. Hang on. You just stick it in a vise.
Oops. Look in the Dodge.
Oh, there you go. You're getting it now.
Awesome.
Oh, it's giving birth. It's a little rubber baby.
Oh,
boy. Oh boy. That is nice. Be nice if we could, like. Ooh.
There we go.
There we go, huh? That is nice. Look at that. Looks like a big brown turd. Big black turd. Look at that. It's alive. That's nice. Wow.
We fetched on it.
Oh yeah, that's the nice big part that's going to be just... Man, I'll tell you what. They didn't leave you no extra roomage, did you? He's going to go flying across the grudge.
Yeah.
Yay, look at that. You did it. You did it, laddie. You see it? Wow. Look at that big old bucket of swill.
There it is.
Huh?
There it is.
Wonder where the thing's got a hole in it. I guess it don't matter. It's got a hole.
It's sucking air somewhere.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, now we're going to put it back together.